Are you walking around with a diluted version of some spirituality that makes you feel good but then it disappears after a while, a spirituality that gives you more questions than answers? If you want to learn how to get the rawest, most authentic spirituality possible, regardless of your faith belief systems, then watch this video because it's incredibly important for all of those of you who want to do good in this world. Let's get into it. Welcome back to Whole Goals. My name is Andrew Love. Nice to meet you. And it is my job here on this channel to help you reclaim your mind, heart, body, and soul so that you can become an unstoppable force of good in this world, which is so needed. It's all about spirituality today. And here's why. There's a lot of people that get caught up in the how-tos, how to be spiritual, or you're wrong and I'm right, and they're focusing on the vehicle rather than the purpose. Because at the end of the day, all religions, all new agey movements, if they're not gravitating us all towards a more selfless state, a state where we're so filled up with all the stuff we need, we have clear thinking, we have boundless love in our hearts, we have so much will and inspiration to do good in this world that we can't help but to serve our neighbor, but to love the people in our lives, but to go beyond our limited minds and hearts. When we can transcend ourselves, then we're in a state where we can truly give our essence to this world. And that's what spirituality is meant to be about. And anything short of that is not doing your spiritual life service. I have friends in many different faith backgrounds. I have new agey friends, very religious friends. And in every section of life, even atheists, there's people that can use, and in every single faith background, you can have people who use their religiosity or their new aginess to become a more selfish person, to think more about themselves and trying to be perfect in some weird way, and chasing spirituality around like a drug and completely missing the point altogether. Or conversely, I know many people of different faith backgrounds who use their faith to become better people, to become more giving and loving people. And that's, again, what it's all about. So let's just think about the cells in your body. The cells in your body are all working together like one giant community, working in harmony in order to create health within your body. And the moment that they start to become selfish and start fighting, that's when you start to get sick. When there's a battle inside your body, that's when you yourself are sick. Similarly, like when we're working together, then we are able to make this planet a better place. But when we don't even care about the host body, our planet, and we're just killing it for our own benefit without any anticipation of that's gonna destroy our whole species, then obviously we're making the planet sick. So spirituality at the end of the day is meant to fill us up deeply so that we have more than enough to give to the people around us, the people in our lives, to give them the love and attention that they deserve. And anything short of that is a diluted version of spirituality that won't ultimately give you the satisfaction that your soul is longing for. So in a nutshell, all of your faith and beliefs and all of your spiritual practices are meant to lead you to a place where you have more than enough mental clarity, emotional clarity, spiritual power to move your body into action to making this world a better place. And anything short of that is just not enough, and it will never satisfy you, and you'll always be longing, and you'll always be comparing, and you'll realize that your spirituality is diluted. So again, it's good to constantly revise yourself. Am I giving enough? And if I'm falling short, how can I fill myself up? How can I use my spirituality to be filled up to the brim to give the best of myself to this world? When you can live in that state, you'll be flying, baby, flying. I will see you in the next video.